And we're going to dispatch on the front row of Pit Special. Going to be climbing up to 142 feet on this Gerstlauer Infinity Coaster with lap bars. Beautiful day for it as well. There we go. So yeah, there's no inversions on this ride. Well, I'm hoping we're going to get some good airtime, especially with the lap bars on here. Big vertical lift. There we go. Woo! Time. Woo! Over the road! There we are, that's Pit Special. Oh, that was great. Very fast pace, lots of airtime. Oh, I really enjoyed that. Both Gerstlauer coasters here are excellent. And actually very different rides to each other as well. Oh, that was brilliant. Pit Special. Certainly was quite special, that.